Welcome to Phone Transformer. In today's video, we're going to show you exactly how to place order on SHEIN app in a few easy steps. Now, let's get started. Step 1. First, unlock your phone and open the SHEIN app. Make sure you're already logged into your SHEIN account, so you can access all your personal settings without any problems. Step 2. After opening the app, you'll see various categories and products listed on the homepage. You can browse or search for the item you want to purchase, then tap on it to open the product page. Step 3. On the product page, you'll find options to select the size and color that suits your preference. Once you've made your selection, tap the Add to Cart button at the bottom to add the item to your cart. Step 4. Next, look at the top right corner of your screen. You'll see a small cart icon. Tap on it to view all the items you've added. Select the items you want to purchase, then tap the Checkout button at the bottom of the screen. Step 5. On the checkout page, add or confirm your shipping address. This step is important to ensure your order is delivered to the correct location. Then, choose your preferred shipping method, either standard or express, depending on how fast you want the delivery. Step 6. Now, it's time to choose your payment method. You can pay using PayPal, credit or debit cards, or other available options in your region. If you have a coupon code, don't forget to apply it before confirming your order. Once everything is set, tap the Place Order button to complete your purchase. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to Phone Transformer for more helpful guides like this one.